Okay, hello. So today I will show you how to use the template for the book chapter. Okay, so this is the version 19. So if you click here, okay, so you can see here the book, okay, the format of the book chapter. So this one is automatic formatting, so you don't need to think about it. Okay, how to use it is easy. So the first thing you have to do, okay, so your first thing you have to do is you have to check your chapter. So what chapter are you? Okay, for example, if you are in chapter 10, chapter 7 for example, so you delete until 7. Okay, okay, you have to delete also 7. Okay, and then you have to you can see here it's still 11. Okay, so you control and all, and then you press F9 at the top of the keyboard at the center, F9. So automatically all of your formatting will become chapter 7. Okay, all of it automatically done. So I repeat back, control all and then control F9. Okay, so now you can use it. So this one chapter, just leave it alone. You only just have to change this. Okay, this is the title. Okay, you change the title. Okay, make sure you change it correctly. For example, okay, photovoltaic, so you can delete the rest. Okay, okay, something like this. And then for example here, name, and you have to write, if 2 people, just put like this. For 3 people, for example, sorry, if you have bin or binti, just remove the bin and binti for this book chapter. Okay, so Ali Abu and comma. Okay, we use Harvard format comma. Okay, so means that you have to put comma before and. Okay, so this one is the chapter, of course, usually introduction, then you can rename this. Okay, and okay, and if you want to add some chapter, for example here you want to add chapter B. Okay, okay, just highlight this and then put heading 1. So automatically it will add another chapter, heading 1. This is in the style. Okay, so just remove any spaces. Okay, because this heading automatically has spaces. Okay, same here. If you want to go to heading 2, for example here you write and you want to create heading 3, heading 3, see, you just click heading 3, write anything. Okay, for example here, okay, write A B, and you want to create a heading level 2, just click there to head 2. Okay, automatically it will create heading number 2. So that is how you create heading. Okay, and how about image? So image, you can just use the template available. So for image, you have 3 template. You have first one here. This one is the 2 line. The caption has 2 line. You can see here there are 2 line caption, and this one has 1 line caption, and this one has multiple subcategory. Okay, so make sure you use the correct one. And if you want to use it, for example, you want to use this, okay, just copy this, control copy, okay, and enter and paste. So you can see here 7.1. Of course you have to use control A, control all. Okay, control A and then F9. Okay, automatically it will update the numbering automatically. So you can just write this. Okay, if you make sure if you want the caption is very small, you have to use this one. Okay, copy and paste. So for example here you want to use this, copy and you paste it and you paste the image here. Okay, okay, and then if you want to update the numbering, Control A, okay, and then F9, automatically it will numbered properly. Okay, that is for the figure. And you can see here you have a multiple figure. Make sure you cite the figure in your text. Every figure needs to be cited properly in the text. Okay, so you can see here figure 7.1 you already cite, but 7.2 is not cited yet. So make sure you cite the top of the figure. That is the standard practice. Okay, so figure at the bottom, okay, the citation is at the top. So how to cite the figure? You go to reference. Okay, go to reference, go to the cross reference in the caption tab. Okay, cross reference. This one goes to figure. Okay, this one reference type goes to figure. Use only label and number. So figure 7.2. Okay, so insert. So this one will happen. If you suddenly want to add some figure here, for example, I add a figure, copy. Okay, I add another figure here. Okay, 7.2, 7.2. So this one 7.2. So of course, Control A, F9. So right now, your old figure will become 7.3, but also your citation in the text also becomes 7.3. It will done automatically for you. Okay, so I hope you can understand for the figure. For the table, of course, also the same. So this is for one line. Okay, if you have one line caption, you can use this one, but if you have two line caption, you have to use this one. Okay, sorry, this is the format of the provided. You have to follow it. And for the this one also the same. You have to copy both. Copy the caption here. Okay. Okay. So you can see 7.1 and 7.1. Control A. Okay. F9. So automatically update to 7.2 and you can cross-reference. Okay. In the reference tab, cross-reference goes to table. Okay. This one goes to the only text and number. Okay, and this one is 7.2. Insert caption. Okay, so that is how you make the table. So for the table, of course, you have to copy this. Okay, you have to make it something like this. Okay, you can go to the home. This one, view grid line, disable. You have to make a table something like this or something like this. Okay, you cannot just make a normal table. You have to make sure you follow this formatting. Okay, click here and view again. Okay, so for that is for the table, of course. And for the equation, you can use this type. Okay, and this type if your equation is very long. Okay, so for this case, okay, so same as here. If you want to use this, you can copy this. Okay, copy this. Okay, okay, and you can use your equation and of course Control A, F9, automatically update. And if you want to remove the highlight, of course you can just click in the home paragraph and this one no border, so it will delete the box. Okay, same here, of course. And for this one, of course, you have to add equation. The citation, for example, here. And okay, go to reference, cross-reference. This one goes to equation. I think this one doesn't affect. You can use entire caption. Insert. Okay. So it's better for you for this case. No need to worry. Equation. But if you have a different location, make sure you add equation. Okay. let me show you something like this. Okay, make sure you add the equation. Okay, if you have and another thing you have to remember when you start a new heading, okay, make sure it is don't have any indentation. But for the second and so on, you can see here you need to add indentation. Just press tab. Okay, this one press tab. Okay, but for this one no need, because this is the first paragraph, but the second and the so on, you need to press tab. It will automatically move you to the new tab. Okay, and for citation, okay, for this book chapter you have to use this one. Okay, this type of citation. It is actually a special type of citation. Is called Penerbit UTM. I will include the endnote formatting in with you. Okay, so how to use endnote formatting? Okay, so if you have endnote, of course you have to copy this first. Copy the format. I will give it in the description or at the bottom of the YouTube video here. Okay, or inside this this one I will show. I will put the link here also. Okay, and goes to this PC. Okay, this PC, and you go to the documents. Okay, and then you goes to endnote, style, and paste it here. Okay, and paste inside the endnote style. And when you open this, okay, and you open the endnote, okay, okay, sorry about that. So if after you already place the style inside the style folder, okay, you go here. Okay, this one already come out. You go to select another style. Okay, so you just press P. Okay, so you can see here there is a Penerbit UTM here. Yes, choose. Okay, automatically you can use this Penerbit UTM format. Okay, so for example here, this one. Okay, maybe I just want to use this and this. Okay, I just put insert citation. Okay, so automatically it will create a citation here. Okay, so and it's follow the format. Okay, this is the Penerbit UTM format. Okay, so I think that's it. Okay, don't forget your acknowledgement and conclusion here, of course. Okay, and of course I forget, if you have numbering, make sure you follow this format. Okay, this is list, I think. Okay, this one is list. Okay, caption list. Okay, for example, if you write something, okay, okay, and you want to make this as a list, you go here and click X list. Automatically it will create a list according to the format. Okay, and you can see here this is number. Okay, and enter. You can press tab. This is the next format. Okay, and another tab you can make here. Okay, I think only 3 level is allowed. Okay, you cannot more than 3 level. Same as here, the head is only 4 level. You cannot go more than that. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, good luck with your book chapter. Okay, thank you.